just going to Canggu and somebody hit my mirror in my car, and I had the open window and the glass come into my face. Can you imagine that? Luckily only here little bit, and my ear is cut and little bit on the hand. So when you have piece of glasses,
oh my god,
so
I don't
scary
know, my
shit,
hand is
yeah?
just shaking.
Yeah, I had like hand like this, you know, and the mirror, and guy was playing on the phone. So many glass everywhere. I need to clean up myself. As you see, a lot of glass on the seat. Yeah, of course some papers, but a lot of glass everywhere, like really small pieces. Little bit scary shit, like. But anyway, we will make a vlog today. I also need to buy the new mirror. Luckiest he didn't hit the car.
Okay guys, so now we are in Canggu in Barawa area, actually next to the Fins Beach Club. And right behind me, maybe it's a little bit too dark. Here is the new buildings. Actually, this from, I just read it, the information coming from the Holy Wings group. So it's just like the groups of entrepreneurs in a club or something like that. It's famous in Jakarta, and one of the owners is the famous Indonesian lawyer, Bang Hotman Paris. I know that I'm a big fan of you.
So in the short terms, that's gonna be very huge new building and probably some club or something. As you see, it's quite impressive construction, and we will see what's the future gonna bring to this place. So this is the fence to this building, and now is the bakso seller, by the way, tasty bakso. So the construction is quite huge, and this is already the Canggu Barawa and steel fence, and just we are heading into this direction, and that's the famous Fins Beach Club. And now is the new place also. It's called this is the new restaurant, I think, by the way. It's called the Saint-Tropez. We will show you around how it looks. The area is quite busy here in Canggu today. Alright, as you see, it's the soft opening of the Saint-Tropez. Saint-Tropez is the new beach club which belongs to the Fins Beach Club, but they opened a new brand, new venue actually next door. As you see, Saint-Tropez. Welcome to Saint-Tropez. That's how it looks like, but we are not interested to go inside today. We're gonna show you how it looks Barawa area. Here is some Panama restaurant, something like this. We was actually here just turning around. It was so busy, and now seems like it's already quiet because many people was going back home after the sunset, but still it's quite busy. They have a happy hours in the Fins Beach Club.
And on the left side there is a brand new restaurant. It's called Milano.
It's called Milano. Quite busy, looks quite fancy, pretty nice. And here we go. This is the entrance to the Fins Beach Club. If somebody of you have you ever been here, you must know this place. You can comment below. What do you think? Do you have a good memories or bad memories? Just let me know. Here is some bazaar with the clothes. Quite famous thing nowadays in Bali. Everywhere the clothes bazaars, and here is the entrance to the beach. Unfortunately, it's a little bit dark, but this is a Fins Beach Club area, and it's quite busy here. As you can see, so many motorbikes. Even they feed the car here, but I don't know how they're gonna get out. But yeah, I wish the good luck to him. He maybe, but this one so hard. It's even difficult for me to walk here. And some surfers. And this is all this building. This property belongs to the Fins. And here we go. This is the Fins Beach Club from the beach side. They also have a light, so the night surfing is allowed here. So as you see, the waves are just lights on it, so you can surf at night. That's quite famous place. It's quite busy. Sayang over here.
Oh my goodness, so many tourists. Look at that.
So many tourists. That's true, so many tourists. Oh, this tourists, I didn't realize, the local tourists, because somebody called this dog. But yeah, there are so many domestic tourists. And also Fins Beach Club seems like it's busy. They are really kind of successful, I have to say. I'm personally not the biggest fan of this place, but seems like many people enjoying to party there. Even right now, even this current situation. Meanwhile, that's how it looks situation on the beach, as you see. As Winnie said, really quite many tourists. That's how it is. That's how it is. They have a really cool party, seems like. So one more shot about the Finns Beach Club. As you see, it's quite busy. Actually, I never go inside. I've been inside, but I never make a vlog inside because they simply didn't allow me to record. So basically, I have no rights to record inside, but nobody said as I cannot record from the public beach outside. But unfortunately, I cannot make a vlog inside. So I'm so sorry, guys. Even if you're gonna request that, that's simply not possible. But meanwhile, I'm gonna show you how it looks, the vibe on the beach just after sunset. Well, it's already like half hour after sunset. So there is the Finns, and here is the new place called Saint-Tropez, what we show you. It's quite dark. I'm not sure if it's as successful as Finns. However, this is the one owners, the same owners, and the same company, just two different brands. Also interesting facts, if I'm not mistaken, maybe I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure, I'm sure the Finns, which is this one, it's owned by the Australian owner or Australian group of people. So that's the Australian company in Canggu. Alright, and just next to this is some cozy small warung, and I think this warung is famous for the surfers because I see so many surfers. So basically in Canggu the vibe is so many surfers. After sunset they're going back, they're gonna grab one or two bintangs, chill with the friends, with mates. And yeah, and that's how peaceful life in Canggu is going. This actually Canggu can be liked, but some people will just hate this or you will love it. There's nothing between in Canggu. You can just hate this or love it. Alright, cheers guys. We are in Canggu as you see, and we late for sunset and everything because we got a small accident as you saw. Somebody hit our mirror and also glass coming to my face and cut me here a little bit, and also my mirror, and also so many on the hand, but all is good. Luckily nothing happened, just the mirror is gone, and of course the driver just crashed into us and ran away.
When we drive, I saw that the driver was busy playing on the phone and didn't watch in the front, and then yeah, he just hit our mirror in so bad and he just ran away. So yeah, we are not really happy with that, and then we are waiting for the, what is it?
Replacement.
For the replacement, but yeah, so that's why we are late today to the beach at sunset. But yeah, night 5 in Canggu is also nice though. Jeez, this is the first time I saw that in Seminyak traffic.
Yeah, the traffic like this is so busy, like in the old gold times.
Careful.
Yeah, go.
Jeez. Oh my goodness.
Look at that, the front. So busy.
Sorry for the dirty windows, yeah guys.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Oh my goodness.
The Jimmy don't have washers, you know. I cannot, while driving, I
Yeah.
cannot wash the window. I need to go outside, put the bottle of water, and like old school, you know. But anyway, look at this one.
Quiet?
Uh,
I don't know. La Favela still closed?
Just going to Italian job, having some dinner, and check this out, it's quite busy. I'm not even sure if you're gonna have any space. Not so bad. Woo. Easy. Band. Not so bad. I think full house. We will see. So busy. Can you imagine that? As this is right now, like this. We got the seat at the corner upstairs. But at least, check this out, from the upstairs house, busy is this, just literally full house. Can you imagine that? Check this out, like you will never imagine that this is the current situation, right? Woo. That's really 1st of June 2021.
Alright, so why we decided to move from Canggu and then now we are having a dinner in Seminyak, because yeah, this place, they have a promotion like 50% discount.
That's always good to having a good promo right now in Bali.
You know, like yesterday I've got an email, I've got an email and asking like how much you spend for, you know, like for the monthly like average, because he saw like in our video we always eating outside and everything. So yeah, I just explained like
Because of promos.
we always going outside dinner, especially to the nice restaurants, especially for the promo ones. So yeah.
Okay, so the food arrived. This is beautiful beef tagliatelle or something like this. At least I don't know. My Italian is not the best, and Sayan have what?
Caesar salad. This is a huge portion.
That's a really big Caesar salad. Big value for money.
This is our favorite Italian restaurant in Seminyak, Kayu.
So far.
Alright guys, I think that's all our video today. I know from the way we went to Canggu is really hectic, and then we decided to go to Seminyak. So this is how it is. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.